Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mr. Breton again today to read you another story. Today we're going to, actually for the rest of the week, we're going to be talking about the weather. Good time of year because we're transitioning from the springtime, which is a little cooler, to the hot summer months of Houston. So I'm going to be reading this the rest of the week, and today I'm going to talk about fog and frost and dew. So let me go ahead and I'll start. Have you ever forgotten a saucepan of water and returned to find out the saucepan was empty? Where did the water go? It evaporated or changed into water vapor, an invisible gas which absorbs in the air in your kitchen. Much of the same thing happens in nature. The sun's heat makes water from seas, lakes, and rivers evaporate and rise into the atmosphere, the blanket of the air surrounding the earth. When air has absorbed all the water it can hold, it is said to be saturated, which means it's totally full of water. The warmer the air is, the more moisture it holds. As saturated air cools, some of the water vapor in it condenses, or it changes into tiny droplets of water. When it rains, you'll see little tiny droplets of water. The temperature at which condensation happens is called the dew point. If it turns chilly at night, water vapor in the air condenses and air touches the cold ground. Next morning, you may find the ground with dew or with frost, depending on if it's freezing. Fog, which you've probably seen a lot of that this time of year, fog in the morning time, is a dense cloud of water driplets hanging just above the ground, a thinner cloud of mist. So I don't know if you could see the picture here. This is frost right here. And that's a snowblower. It's removing snow. Some of you may have never seen snow before, but anyways, this is a snowblower, and it's blowing snow and they're frozen water crystals. All right, so I want to read one more part of weather. I want to talk to you about rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Rain and hail are very prominent in the South, this time of year particularly. High in the sky, water vapor from the seas, lakes, and river condenses on particles drifting in the air. These include specks of dust, smoke from chimneys, and salt from the sea. Because it's cold in the sky, moisture in the atmosphere can also turn into ice. Clouds are millions of tiny, lightweight water droplets or ice crystals floating together. In warm clouds, droplets bumping into each other make larger and larger drops of water. These are too heavy to stay up, so they fall from the cloud as rain. Snowflakes are formed in colder clouds, but are by ice crystals sticking together. The flakes are always six-sided, though no two look alike. If there is warm air below, snowflakes and ice crystal falling from the clouds melt on the way down and turn into rain or sleet. When ice crystals are hurled up and down in the storm clouds, they grow into hailstones. I don't know if you've ever seen hailstones, but they're big balls of ice. Freezing water droplets stick to the crystals, adding layers of clear and frosty ice. You don't often see hailstones bigger than cherries, but the stones can be as large as tennis balls and can weigh over 2 pounds. So this is the kind of different, they're cloud formations, and these are all water crystals. So that's all I'm going to read today from our book, Weather. We will read another couple chapters of talking about weather for the rest of the week. You have a great day. Bye.